If you are looking for a good condominium for staying in the prime location in Nonthaburi, we would like to presenting you the Astro Chaeng Wattana condominium. It's located on Chaeng Wattana Pak Gra Road, Soy 21. And here is nearby the MRT Pink Line, just 50 meters from Chaeng Wattana Pak Gra 28 station in front of Central Plaza Chaeng Wattana. A unit for sale is on the 17th floor. It is one bedroom type with the sizing 35.99 square meters. The usage area are including with one bedroom, one restroom, one living room and one balcony. This unit is good for two persons with the king-size bed. And the restroom is separating with dry zone and wet zone with the shower box. The window of the bedroom and the balcony of this unit is facing to the east side, that you can see MRT station and Central Plaza Chaeng Wattana. The facilities of this condo is on the 5th floor. Here you can enjoy the outdoor swimming pool and the gym room with the SkyTrain view. And one of the relaxing zone, you can enjoy the sky garden on the 38th floor rooftop. We think the Astro Chaeng Wattana is one of the good choice for you. If you are interested and want to visit the unit, please contact me by the details at the end of this video. Thank you and see you soon.